Hey y'all, I'm back with another video. Yeah, you can see from the title, this is an updated Bedsitter Tour. And if you have been here all along, you know how the kitchen looks like. So I'm just going to Waonjesha. A new addition is the blender. Yeah, I stole that from my sister. And right now, I really don't. Lately, I haven't been feeling to like do anything. So easy, I think, zitakapo kidogo. And then new addition to the kitchen is my timetable, my food timetable, because I'm trying to keep healthy, y'all. I'm trying to keep healthy. So this is my tiny kitchen. Do not forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up as you're watching the video. That will help so much with the engagement. Then from here we have my kagas. You know, a girl gotta cook. And here is where like I put my groceries, because I don't have a fridge yet. I'm planning to buy during Black Friday, so help me God. Yeah. And you all know how the kitchen looks like. So here is, I'm really planning to put my fridge here. So this bed I don't know where they will go, but we'll have to find that out. And here is just my studio lights and my camera tripod and my phone tripod. So from there, we just have my desk and my shelf. I'm thinking of taking this to the fundi and dismantling the whole of this, because now I'm bored. I'm bored by it. This is my study area where I do all my manifestations, my language studies, and everything. I'm just lying, mostly do it on my bed. But yeah, you get the gist. I'm just from working out, so hizo tu wanazitupa hapo sometimes. You know, it's been a fucked up week for me, so please bear with the mess. Here is where I just chill. I am not kidding. I sit here most of the time to just reflect on my life, y'all. Anyway, you can see the new addition, the vine I added. This, I don't know, but it felt cute, you know. And this sticker, lol, you're not Paxogen, because anyway, no Paxogeny. Anyeyo, yeah. And this, you know, I just looked for this prints from Pinterest, then went to a cyber, printed them out, the sizes in A3, and then look for a double-sided tape and then stuck them on the wall. That is because I've posted on my TikTok and a lot of people have been asking, so that is it. And if you have not followed me on TikTok, please do so. Guy, ni kama homa imeanza kukuja. It's like I'm getting a cold, and no, I'm not taking that. So here's my Pookie, my comfort doll, my bin bag where I just sit, and house shoes, a little mud. Then when we come here, oh Lord, this is my area. Love, 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 love this area. And again, all the stickers, Pinterest, download, print, stick them on the wall. Easy. The top sticker says K-drama feelings, because I am a sucker for K-drama. And that is the Polaroid song by Enhypen. I think they're called like that. And you know, every time I wake up in the morning, I look at that. It's telling me fighting, himne. I've got this. No pressure on me. And this collab thing, I just feel good about it. Also, I love the Cupid song by 50/50. And then Soul, it's a dream city for me. This shelf, I got it. This hanging shelf, it's actually a hanging shelf. So I got it from a fundi hapa tu nje. Nikampatia 150. Alinipea mbili. So this and that. You can also ask. You can go ask. And I've transferred some of the things from the shelf to here. Loved it. And also this. I love this. I love this. This, love it. So, from afar, that is how my bed area looks like. I also changed my, what is it called? My duvet, because I get hot at night. And the last duvet was so heavy. And thank God I had this pink duvet. It was from uni, actually. So good for me. It goes with my aesthetic. So yeah. And yeah, here is just an ottoman where I put my laptop, because I 90% of the time watch movies on my bed. So yeah, and here is just naitwaje serviette holder. Love it. Love my serviette next to me, because I like wiping my hands. My water bottle, love drinking water. After that, we just come to my shoe rack. My favorite bags. I need bags. I don't have bags. Just kidding. And my shoes, all my heels are there. And yeah, guys, this is how literally my house looks like when it's not clean. I haven't done cleaning in like 5 days. So yeah. And here is where I put my clothes, all my jackets. I need to declutter here. There's a lot of things I don't wear and I need to give them away. And here, hapa tu ni vichochoro. Nitashinda nikiwaambia hapa ni makeup, lotions and everything, but I want to put a shelf here for my lotions and everything. Then here are my clothes. And see, my laundry basket is full. I need to wash it. And here it's just like a little entryway. So that is it, guys. That is how everything is. But most of all is that I love this area. I mean, look how cute is that? How cute. Do not forget to subscribe, guys. Give this video a big thumbs up. Comment down below what you think and any ideas you want me to share. Any question will be appreciated. So yeah, the bed, I got it from a fundi. I will put his number here. And my shoe rack, I got it from Kilimall for 1,000 shillings. Yeah, all the furniture here I got it from mafundi nitaeka tunini. I also changed my curtains to cream because the other one was darkening the area and it's not so aesthetically pleasing, so that's why I did some change. Anyway, I hope you've loved the video, and yeah, so that is it for the video, guys. That is it for the video. So see you on my next video. Bye.